So would like to know from you how to make the most of the last 2 weeks.
I'm sure everybody understands the concept of momentum. Momentum is on your side or against you, but momentum is, you have to view it as either helping you or very cruel.
Coming to stress management is very normal during these days. How to manage stress.
And even if you did all things that you were supposed to do, then also you are anxious. So anxiety is quite normal, natural. Recognize this thing.
Hello and welcome to this special session of Vision Eyes. As the UPSC Prelims 2025 exam is round the corner, it's very normal for an aspirant to get anxious and excited. To that end, today we have with us an eminent faculty member of Vision Eyes, Aditya Kalia sir, who wants to send out his message and help you guide in the last 2 weeks. Welcome, sir. Sir, as most of the aspirants at this stage normally get as excited as anxious, so would like to know from you how to make the most of the last 2 weeks.
I'm sure everybody understands the concept of momentum. Momentum is on your side or against you, but momentum is, you have to view it as either helping you or very cruel. The last moments matter a lot. Taking analogy, for example, most of you would have seen some good movies or some good TV shows. If the last season or the last episodes or the last minutes are not good, you always dislike it, even if it was well made. Momentum is what matters a lot. You are in your last 15 days. If you have worked really hard during the year or before that also, if you fumble during these 15 days, please understand it's going to have a lot of costs. It's not me trying to scare you, but me trying to tell you that this last moment matters a lot. Make sure that your momentum remains intact till that day when you reach the hall. Make sure that that's the case.
That was a very wonderful analogy, sir. The last few minutes of a movie or a TV series. Now, coming to stress management, which is very normal during these days, how to manage stress?
That's quite understandable because as the exam is approaching, it's quite natural to feel anxious. You see that there are huge number of topics remaining, some books or some current affairs, some tests that are remaining that you have not attempted, some newspapers that you have not read, and all those things are contributing to your anxiety. And even if you did all things that you were supposed to do, then also you are anxious. So anxiety is quite normal, natural. Recognize this thing. Don't think that you are the only one that is anxious. And simply when you start believing in this or seeing this thing like this, automatically anxiety starts to get sided. It's not just you, the individual who is anxious. Everybody writing this exam is anxious. In fact, एग्ज़ाम आ रहा है, लास्ट में एंशियस हो गई होगी और जो सीरियस व्यक्ति है वही एंशियस होगा. तो इसको आप ये मत समझो कि मेरे से नहीं होगा, एग्ज़ाम का फियर है, मैं क्या करूँगी एग्ज़ाम में जाके. ये नेचुरल है और अच्छे बच्चे ही एंशियस होते हैं. चिंता मत करो उस चीज़ की बिल्कुल भी. मैनेज कैसे करना है? मैनेज करने का एक ही तरीका है. योर मैनेजमेंट इज़ दैट यू शुड हैव योर टारगेट्स. You should know what you are going to do today or tomorrow or in this 1 week. You know that. Let the anxiety be there. Let the anxiety not get the better of you. Recognize करो anxiety है, लेकिन साथ में अपने targets को रखो. Anxiety अपने आप चली जाएगी. रहेगी, रहनी भी चाहिए, लेकिन रहेगी उसके बाद भी आपको करना तो वही जो momentum है maintain करके रखना है.
Very rightly said. The more serious you are, the more anxious you get. Now, sir, what to do for quick revision, because we don't have that much time. So, how to effectively go through all the prepared notes and everything in these last 10 to 12 days?
Yeah. So see, last 10 to 12 days are remaining, and obviously you would want to revise everything. One, make sure that you're able to revise as many times as possible, even this last 10 days. Now is not the time to revise, let's say, entire polity or entire economics or entire history. Now is the time that from your maturity, you start to recognize, okay, these are important topics. Now, what is important? सारे बच्चे यहीं पे confused हैं, important क्या है, क्या पढ़ूँ, क्या नहीं पढ़ूँ. Important का मतलब वो चीज़ें हैं कि जो चीज़ आपके सामने अगर वहाँ से सवाल आया, आप उसको गलत नहीं करोगे. Nobody can tell what is important, what is not important. बुद्धिज्म इंपॉर्टेंट है कि जैनिज्म इंपॉर्टेंट है, रेपो रेट इंपॉर्टेंट है या फिर इन्फ्लेशन इंपॉर्टेंट है. नोबडी कैन टेल कि क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है या क्या नहीं है. मुझे लगता है, मेरे लगने से कुछ नहीं होता है कि वो चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है. मेक श्योर कि अगर आपने एक चैप्टर को पढ़ा है, अब उस चैप्टर से सवाल आएगा वो गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. So ensure, for example, there are many facts to be out there to be remembered. Make sure that, for example, you are remembering, let's say, all the important features of 1833 Act or 1909 Act, or for that matter, let's say, important aspects of trends in budget, फिस्कल डेफिसिट कितना है, करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट कितना है, सरकार का टैक्स कलेक्शन कितने से बढ़ा है, कितने से कम हुआ है, ये ट्रेंड्स हैं. अब मैं ये नहीं बता सकता कि इनमें सवाल आएगा, लेकिन अगर यहाँ से सवाल आएगा तो आपका गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. तो आप इस तरीके से कुछ फैक्ट्स जो हैं, फैक्चुअल चीज़ें, इनको बार बार आप रिवाइज कीजिए, रिवाइज देम अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड देन बी रेस्ट अश्योर्ड if question comes from this, I will make sure that I am able to do it. That is what revision is. That is what important topic identification is. Look at these things. Look at the things that have been asked in past. Revise them again and again. You are well set.
Well said, sir. Now, one last final message for the students. You can keep it concise or it's absolutely up to you.
The last final message is ensure that you do not waste your time in these last 10-12 days. Now, when I say waste your time, what I mean to say is, I'm sure तुम लोग सब इतने serious हो that you will not be, let's say, wasting your time in doing things that are unnecessary. Waste का मतलब ये है, do not try to be focused on reading more and more and more. अब आपको concise, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला, अब आपको चीज़ों को बार बार पढ़ना है, एंश्योर करना है कि ये चीज़ पूछी जाएगी तो मैं गलत नहीं करूँगा. ये आपका फोकस होना चाहिए. वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम वुड बी जब आप एडिशनल चीज़ें पढ़ रहे हो विद हैविंग सम प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बीइंग आस्क्ड और नॉट आस्क्ड, बट उसकी वजह से आप जो चीज़ आंसर कर सकते थे उसको सैक्रिफाइस कर रहे हो. दैट इज़ व्हाट आई एम कॉलिंग एज अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम एट दिस पॉइंट. एंश्योर दैट यू आर थ्रू विद योर करंट अफेयर्स. एंश्योर that you are through with the basic topics of history, polity, economics, geography. Ensure that you have given all the tests with proper revision. The last moment, the last point of my advice is कि अपने समय को objectively इस्तेमाल करो, सब कुछ पकड़ने की कोशिश मत करना लास्ट में, वो वेस्ट हो जाएगा टाइम. That is what I want to say.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable time and very nicely summing up what the right strategy should be in these last 10 to 12 days. Now, dear students, we hope you understood that this anxiety is absolutely universal. So you're not the only one who is facing these challenges. Just stay focused and keep doing quick revision. Wish you all the very best.
और हाँ, पानी ज़रूर पीते रहना. Please keep yourself hydrated. Water also helps you to remain concentrated.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Wish you all the very best.